Inside the factory. This is how things are made. Chocolate, but not the way you've ever seen it made. It all begins with cocoa beans, carefully selected for quality. The beans are roasted to unlock chocolate's deep flavor. They are crushed and ground into a rich cocoa paste. Milk and sugar are added to create the perfect balance.
The chocolate is refined until it becomes silky smooth.
Tempering gives chocolate its shine and snap.
The chocolate is poured into molds and shaped.
It is then cooled to form solid chocolate bars. From bean to bar, this is how chocolate is made. Subscribe for more factory processes.